day, dear students. I'm Gүлдәурен Adaybayevna. I'm an English teacher at Taqtıbe Humanitarian College. Today's our new theme is sport in our life. The aim of the lesson is to make students speak on the theme sport. The objectives of the lesson are to enlarge students' knowledge about sports, to develop students' speaking abilities giving several tasks, to bring up students lead a healthy life. Before starting our lesson, let's read the poem. Sport is fun for boys and girls. It's much better than the toys. You can sledge and ski and skate and play snowballs with skate. You can swim and play football, hockey, tennis, basketball. You can run and you can jump. You can have a lot of fun. So, what is sport? Sport is very important in our life. It is popular among young and old people. Sport helps people to keep fit and good health. There are some popular kinds of sports in our country. Football, volleyball, basketball, skiing, skating and gymnastics. Everybody may choose the sport he or she is interested in. Sport plays an important role in our life. Sport makes people healthy, keeps them fit, more organized and better disciplined. People go in for many kinds of sports. There are sports grounds near every school, every institute, every factory, every plant. Besides, there are sports clubs and sports schools in every town. Sport is very important in our life. They are good for health. People do different kinds of sport. Snowboarding, swimming, boxing, cycling and hockey. Nowadays, there are a lot of fitness clubs, sports centers and swimming pools in big cities. People can go working and do yoga. Only young people do martial arts such as karate, judo. Many people play sports in their free time. And they don't love watching TV. School children in our country like walking, cycling, playing football and badminton. All schoolboys and schoolgirls attend sports sections in their schools. Keeping fit and going in for sports is also very important in our life. Lack of exercise in our life is a serious problem. In big cities, people spend hours sitting in front of computers, TV sets and other gadgets. We walk less because we mainly use cars and public transport. We certainly don't have to be professional sportsmen, but we should visit fitness clubs, go jogging, walk much, swim, go cycling or roller skating. Or dance just. Doctors say that regular moderate physical activity is necessary for our body because it protects us from strokes and heart diseases. So, sport games can be played either indoors or outdoors. Outdoor games are usually very active. For example, football, hockey, baseball, tennis, cricket, rugby. Some examples of indoor games are table tennis, billiards, chess, squash, badminton. So, what makes people go in for sport? To keep fit, to improve their health, to have fun, to get the best of it, to follow new trends, and also the main thing is to find new friends. So, dear students, There are some questions. Please answer them. The first question. What is your favorite kind of sport? Who is your favorite sportsman and why? How often do you go to the gym or train at home to keep fit? How many sports do you know which are related to water? What do you prefer to watch, a football game or a hockey game? Do you ever take part in competitions? Okay, thank you. After having answered the questions, let's do this task. Here you see the pictures of different kinds of sports, and please match them with their names. The sports are the following: football, volleyball, basketball, handball, tennis, jumping, skiing, skating, boxing, horse racing, swimming, aerobics. Okay, so let's continue our task connected with the vocabulary. So here you see the word square, and you should find the hidden vocabulary of sports and circle them as in the example given on the slides. So the words are the following: baseball, basketball, tennis, swimming, ping pong, soccer, volleyball, archery. The next task here is to group these activities into indoor sports and outdoor sports. They are sailing, downhill skiing, surfing, bobsledding, baseball, squash, diving, bowling, tennis, rowing, handball, horse racing, wrestling, ice hockey, archery, volleyball. Thank you. So here, pay attention to the rule and remember with what activities we use to go, to play, to do. Listen to me very attentively. To go cycling, to go swimming, to go climbing, to go sailing, to go fishing. To play volleyball, to play basketball, to play badminton, to play tennis, to play cricket, to play football, to play handball, and to do athletics, to do gymnastics, and to do exercises. After the rule we have taken before, let's do this exercise. Here you should decide whether to play or to go and to do, and complete the table with these sports: soccer, skating, swimming, volleyball, yoga, cycling, etc. The next task is we have 4 kinds of sports. They are football, tennis, figure skating, and diving. Please match them with the descriptions. Okay, so what does sport give you? Sport forms character, it teaches you about life, it develops a sense of coordination and balance, it helps you to be self-confident, patient, competitive, and accurate. It teaches you to be more disciplined. It makes you to be strong and healthy. It teaches you to defend yourself and other people. It teaches you to win or at sometimes to lose. And it teaches you to keep fit. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you next time.